Oh, there we go. Now that is a fun spin move. I think that's the biggest redbreast tonight.
Fish!
Oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, this one wants to fight a little bit. Another beautiful smallmouth.
Fish!
Ooh, fish on. Looks like, oh, hey, it's another fallfish. Awesome.
Fish!
Ooh, fish on, fish on. Ooh, looks like we might have another fallfish on our hands. Wow, I think this is the biggest one tonight.
Sometimes they make this really weird burping noise. When the fish is out of the water, the change in pressure sometimes causes air to expand and escape out of the swim bladder. This is harmless to the fish, but it's really silly to hear.